We're raising the bar for collecting plant population. The old days of using hula hoops, tape measures, and muddy boots can be a thing of the past. FieldAgent Spot Scouting provides ag professionals with a plant population solution that catapults their in-field knowledge and practices forward. Sentera's FieldAgent platform can, in a single flight, assess plant population on 80 acres in 20 minutes and provide results upon landing. How do we do it? Our solution captures a single image in each acre to assess population. This means fewer images, higher resolution, and greater coverage with each battery. FieldAgent creates your population map within minutes of landing and at the field edge. No internet connection or upload is required. When a more thorough analysis is needed, we can help you there too. FieldAgent can count every plant in the field. You decide. Either map is exportable for planning purposes and to use throughout the season. Get started today with FieldAgent. www.sentera.com/fieldagent-platform